Okay guys, it's TJ from Car Camp at BigMoneyPapa.com, and we're going back to this 2012 Mercedes E350 Coupe. It's a really nice looking car and it has good performance, but I just want to go over some stuff on the basic maintenance. And this Mercedes requires basic maintenance just like 2012 Camry or Focus or whatever would. So whoever has one of these cars, they get a bonus today because we charge for our maintenance classes, and we do show people how to check the oil on their car, where to check the coolant, if it's power steering or hydraulic power steering or electric power steering. And so this is a 3.5 liter V6, naturally aspirated, and you have an oil dipstick. You can see my hand right back here. Got a lot of Mercedes, especially the later model ones, don't even have a dipstick. So this one, this is where you fill the oil, and then there is a power steering reservoir right. Pull this off real quick. Show it. Okay, so this right here is for your power steering. This is the oil filter. Now the air filter on this car is right back here, so you're gonna have to pull this out to change the filter, and it's a pretty expensive filter, but you know, that's just what it is on this car. And then to check the coolant level, this is your coolant reservoir right here. Oops. Okay. And then your brake fluid reservoir is right there, and that's basic maintenance. Engine filter, oil filter, and all the fluids. Your brake fluid, power steering because it is hydraulic right there, and then your coolant. And this one is rear wheel drive, so there is a differential in the back that does need to be serviced. Actually we just serviced it, but let me see, I'll go ahead and raise it up real quick just to show you the differential. But there's a shot of the inside of the car. And while I'm under there, I'm also going to show you the transmission pan, and we're going to service that one as well. Maybe I'll get a chance to video that while we're doing it. But this right here, there's your transmission pan, and it has 1, 2, 3, 6 bolts holding it up, and then you drop that, change the filter inside there, and refill it with fluid. And I'll have to show you that when we do refill it. But this is the rear differential here. So I'm on the driver's side here, and you could see that. Hold on, let me get a light. Oh, or not. Okay, yes. Okay, right there. Okay, right there is the fill plug, and then right here on the right side, the passenger side, is the drain plug. Now when you do this, always loosen the fill plug first. Sometimes people get a little eager and they drain it, and then they have issues with the fill plug. Like it could be stripped or just super tight and they can't get it off. So make sure you can get the fill plug out before you take off the drain plug. Okay, BIG. MUNYPAPPA.com. Big Money Papa. Learn basic auto maintenance.